How to create a progress circle chart in Google Sheets. Introduction to Progress Circle Chart. Search for Progress Circle Chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data. Once the sheet is selected, steps 2 and 3 will be automatically populated. Click on the Create Chart button. Progress Circle Chart is successfully created. How to configure a chart. Progress Circle Chart data requirements. You need one column of categorical data to create a progress circle chart. Categorical data definition. It describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need one column of numerical data to create a progress circle chart. Numerical data definition. It is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured, and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: progress circle chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. Search for progress circle chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name drop-down. Note: Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Once the sheet is selected, steps 2 and 3 will be automatically populated. You can refresh data sheet columns. You can set row values in the start row and end row text boxes. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Progress Circle Chart is successfully created. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Chart Settings button to change the chart settings. Click on the Variation Type section. You can arrange the charts in 2 lines. Click on the Apply button. You can reset arrangement of charts to default, that is 1 line. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Chart Settings button to change the chart settings. Click on the Variation Type section. You can select any type of chart variation. Click on the Apply button. Variation Type 2. Variation Type 3. Variation Type 4. Variation Type 5. Variation Type 6. You can reset the chart variation to default Type 1. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Chart Data Point Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the remaining color section to change the color. Click on the Center Label section. You can set the prefix and postfix to numbers. Click on the Font Style section. You can set the font style. Click on the Apply All button. You can reset the remaining color. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Legend Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Legend section. You can show or hide legend. You can set the dock. You can set the legend alignment. Click on the box section. You can change the color. Click on the Cancel button. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in SVG, PNG, JPG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo chart list. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.